you can see, my betta fish is having a lot of white spots which are quite itchy, I believe, for the fish, and it looked very dull and it was not eating well, and you can see the amount of disease on the fish here. This is kind of a characteristic behavior of the fishes with white spot disease. It may even try to itch or scratch on the wall or go near the highly turbulent areas of the tank. It also becomes quite dull and stops feeding after a point through the course of the disease. This is how I treated my betta fish with white spot disease. We were all under lockdown or quarantine. I put my fish also in a quarantine tank. I initially was of the opinion that this aquarium heaters are only for the luxury fish tank keepers, but then later I read up about it and found that this was quite useful in treating the white spot disease, and so I bought this 100-watt aquarium heater. I set a temperature of 26 to 27 degrees Celsius. Then I bought this paracetamol solution and the Mr. Blue solution from a local aquarium shop. Then I added these solutions in the quarantine tank with my betta fish. Then within 1 week of the use, I could see a difference in the betta fish. You can see that the white spots have almost disappeared completely, and the fish is also quite active after 1 week of this treatment. And this treatment was putting the heater at around 26 to 27 degrees using the paracetamol solution and the blue solution. And in case you are not able to access the blue solution, methylene blue is an alternative which is available in the shops. You can see the heater which is switched on running in the background. Take home message from this is to isolate the white spot disease affected betta fish in a separate quarantine tank. Keep a heater at 26 to 27 degrees Celsius. Add paracetamol solution and the blue solution, and all of it together should help the betta fish come out of this white spot disease. Also keep the aerator on throughout the day because the water temperature is a bit high, so it is recommended. After 10 days, my betta fish was almost completely normal and it was feeding well. So this is how I treated my betta fish. Do treat your fish at your own risk, and do read up before treating, and you can use these methods and the heater to help you with the treatment.